Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone with Bluetooth device forget setting. And today video title is guys how can we forget guys our Bluetooth headphone to our Infinix phone device. Friends, you have connected any Bluetooth device with your phone and guys now you want to forget guys, you don't want to use this device with your phone. So how can we forget guys? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all you will have to on your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on more connection setting guys, tap here and click on Bluetooth setting guys. So which device guys we have connected here guys, so we can forget from here guys, right side icon, tap here and friends you can see guys this icon. So friends you can use this icon, its icon show guys device name. So friends you want to change your Bluetooth headphone device name, you can change from here. Friends you can see media audio phone call guys, you can on and off from here. And guys you can see forget option guys, tap here to forget it, forget device. After forget guys we cannot use guys, if we use so we will have to give permission again, then guys we can use this headphone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to forget Bluetooth headphone to Infinix phone device. Bye guys.